Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to 2FAS for TOTP and device authentication step by. Begin by visiting the 2FAS website. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button. Fill out the required registration form with your email address and password. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Submit your registration information. Check your email for a verification message from 2FAS. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Log in to your newly created 2FAS account. In the dashboard, locate the option for enabling TOTP or device authentication. Select the TOTP option to proceed. You will see a QR code on your screen. Open your preferred authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Scan the QR code using your authenticator app. Once scanned, your authenticator app will generate a unique code. Enter this code back on the 2FAS website to verify the setup. After verification, you will receive a confirmation message. For device authentication, navigate to the Device Management section. Choose the option to add a new device. Follow the prompts to register your device. Once registered, your device will be linked to your 2FAS account. Make sure to keep a backup of the recovery codes provided. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.